Hello World Wide Web. Today we are going to do the unthinkable, and that is, how to get a uwu cat. So let us begin. Step 1. Find the edgy emo demon wolf. Or if you are too cheap or ban every zoo, then do plan B. Drag your own brother to be the edgy emo demon wolf. Step 2. Find a local habitat where uwu cats live. So I saw a documentary about uwu cats. It said they live in parks, alleyways, schools, and basements. Since it's cheap, I'll use my basement.
Not the bang. Not the bang.
Shut up! Shut up, please! Shut
We did it, boys. We got the wild uwu cat. So World Wide Web, you may be like,
Jay, what are you going to do with the uwu cat?
send back to the wild. Anyways, World Wide Web, that is all for today. Hope that you liked my Google Translate voiceover thingy. I would use my actual voice, but I am voice shy. And also don't know how to use a microphone. Anyway, this is what I want to say. Please also like and subscribe, because we have almost 10 subscribers already subscribed. If you have already subscribed, please make sure to turn on the notification so that you never miss any videos. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, and goodbye.